We're at 1619 Ponderosa. This is in Gulf Breeze, just off of Highway 98. Entering through our farm-style French doors, we are standing in the main living area. On the front side of the home, we have a bay window looking into our front yard. Nice tall ceilings. This room does have a feature ceiling, so they're not white. Laminate flooring runs throughout the entirety of the home. Then here is our dining area and kitchen. We have French doors to our backyard. Turning you around so you can see our living room and front door again. Next up, we have our kitchen. We have beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, neutral gray tone cabinets, and then a very good sized pantry here. Nice big window over the sink looking into the backyard. Turning you around again here. This is easily an 8-foot island, perfect for at least 6 bar stools. Next, we'll head outside. So we're gonna exit through our French doors. Standing on our covered patio, we have some nice greenery around us here. Lawn care is included with the rent here, and the home is equipped also with security system. Heading back inside, we'll show you the bedrooms and bathroom. Going back through our French door here. This is a split floor plan, so we'll go to the guest bedrooms and bathroom first. Taking a turn down a short hallway. We'll go left first, so this is on the back side of the home. Nice good sized bedroom in here. Color drenched ceilings, modern appliances and fixtures. Good sized closet with French door access. Coming back out. Next we'll go to bedroom number 2. This is in the middle portion of the home. Good sized bedroom in here as well. Could be an office, guest quarters, playroom, or storage. Continuing on. Passing a linen closet. Next up we have our first full bathroom. Nice good sized vanity here with quartz countertops, big mirror, and tub shower combo here. And that is a soaker tub, so it is larger than a regular one. And then here is bedroom number 3. So this is on the front side of the home. Nice modern appliances and fixtures in here again as well. Color drenched ceilings. French door closet. Heading back out now, we're going back down our hallway. Gonna cut across the living room. Passing our kitchen. These French doors here on our right are our washer and dryer closet. Units are included and available for tenant use. So here is those. Next up, we have another storage closet, entrance from our 2-car garage, and then we have a half bath here. This is perfect for guests and visitors. Moving on, here is bedroom number 4. This is the master bedrooms. This is also on the back side of the home. We have nice tray ceilings, private exit to our covered patio as well. Laminate flooring continues throughout here. And then here we have our attached ensuite, double sink vanity with some extra good storage here. Huge walk-in closet to our left with built-in shelves. Pocket doors here for extra storage space, but also you can cover up your belongings. And then to the right, we have our commode and our walk-in shower. We have beautiful tile work in here. Nice window for some extra lighting. Color drenched ceilings continue in this bathroom as well. And then here is that master suite again. Heading back out now. Passing our laundry closet, and we are back in the living room. Again, this is 1619 Ponderosa, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.